Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best drinking glasses. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, if you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. US Acrylic 6-piece Classic Glass Set. If you have children at home, plastic is often the go-to choice for drinking glasses. The US Acrylic Classic is a stylish option that offers all of the advantages of plastic but has the look of real glass. In fact, at first glance, these cups could be easily mistaken for pricier drinkware made from actual glass. The sides are thin but durable and have no visible seams. The tall, narrow shape makes them easily stackable, and the thick base adds sturdiness to the construction. The rounded lips of the glasses are thinner than some might prefer, but when tested, they didn't catch on the mouth and still made for a comfortable drinking experience. Beyond the attractive design, this 6-piece set of 16-ounce tumblers is BPA-free, shatterproof, and top-rack dishwasher safe. When testing these glasses, they were dropped onto a tile floor from a height of about 4 feet, and they bounced without chipping or cracking. They are a great choice for families with adventurous children or people looking for an option to take their iced chai to the pool without fear of breakage. Also, and maybe most importantly, they were very comfortable to drink out of. What we love: versatile, stackable, thick base aids stability, glass-like appearance. Number 2. Tervis 4-piece double-walled tumbler set. Though the notion of plastic glasses may bring your mind to red Solo cups, upscale plastic tumblers can come in handy for your drinking needs. Think of them as the ideal vessel for patio, porch, or picnic drinks. If you tend to break glasses, or have clumsy members in your household, plastic can be a great solution. It's resistant to drops and spills for all al fresco drinking needs. Tervis is a fan favorite when it comes to plastic glasses. The shatterproof tumbler holds 16 ounces and keeps drinks hot or cold for an extended period of time. The thoughtful double-walled construction keeps the outside sweat-free. 2. Each tumbler is made with BPA and melamine-free construction. Note that these glasses do not come with lids or straws, even if your cup is loaded up with ice. The double-walled design keeps my hand at room temperature and my drink freezing cold, just the way it should be. The standard option is minimalist and clear, but you can also opt for a personalized cup, including your initials, favorite color, or a personalized message. Whatever you decide, these durable glasses can seemingly last a lifetime. Pros: break and spill resistant. Double-walled construction is effective. Lightweight. Large capacity. Cons: lids and straws sold separately. Number 3. US Acrylic Café Beverage Tumblers. The US Acrylic Café 20-ounce break-resistant plastic restaurant-style beverage tumblers are a high-quality and durable set of tumblers. They can also serve well in commercial settings such as restaurants, bars, or even ice cream shops. Quench your thirst on the go with these Acrylic Café beverage tumblers. These reusable cups come in a set of 16 and boast 4 different blue hues, with a 20 ounces maximum capacity. These cups are perfect for tall drinks. Moreover, they are made from top-quality, shatterproof acrylic material, making them durable enough to withstand everyday use, and are top-rack dishwasher safe for your convenience. Plus, they're stackable, so you can easily store them and save space when not in use. Why buy expensive, bulky glassware when these plastic glasses can do the job just as well? They're also an excellent choice if you don't want people questioning why there are no beer bottles on display at your home or establishment. In addition, the pattern is an advantage that helps us to hold these tumblers more firmly when they are getting smooth, wet, and slimy. What an advantage, isn't it? For drink suggestions, we recommend this set of tumblers for drinking water, coffee, coca, and smoothies. Number 4. US Acrylic Plastic Drinking Glass. Considering the number of inferior plastic drinking cups out there, the US Acrylic drinking cups are a refreshing breath of relief. Made from quality plastic and designed in multiple colors, this 16-pack product is one of the best you can buy. Especially if you're on a budget, it is durable, free from harmful chemicals and allergens, and made under the best conditions. In addition, it can hold about 20 ounces of liquid without spilling, which is more than many cups can boast. Undoubtful, this is an option for juice, iced drinks, and smoothies. Inspired by ocean waves hues, these coastal cups will bring you a beachy feeling, even if the nearest shoreline is 1,000 miles away from your house. Why don't you buy yourself a set of these tumblers for your pool party or outdoor meals? Pros: it doesn't weigh much, making it easy to carry. It is reusable and recyclable. This product has a wide range of applications, including picnics, patios, restaurants, and catered events. Cons: it is not as easy to hold as some other drinking cups. Number 5. Home Essentials Galaxy Glassware 12-piece set. This 12-piece assorted drinking glass set offers 3 glass sizes at an affordable price. This set includes 4 17-ounce highball glasses, 4 13-ounce drinking glasses, and 4 7-ounce juice glasses. Each glass features a dimpled design that has a pleasant and homey look. The highball glasses have a tall design, while the smaller glasses have a short style. The assorted sizes make these glasses ideal for smoothies, juices, cocktails, and more. This classic set is a functional pick for everyday use. The glasses are also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The sleek, flared shape is perfect for showing off your latest creation, while the circular lenses on the inner surface add a touch of sophistication. These glasses are made of good quality, superior thick glass, ensuring durability and longevity. They're also well weighted, so you'll never worry about them tipping over. Plus, they're dishwasher safe for your convenience. If you want a versatile and affordable drinking glass set that flaunts attractiveness, check out the Home Essentials and Amp Beyond Highball and Rocks drinking glasses set. It'll also save you another purchase with its various sizes.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.